just a little tip from the Pontiac Fiero Repair Center page. If you've got a little bit of noise coming from your starter on startup, like a squeak, every time you start the car up, you may need a shim in your starter. This is the starter here. And if you've recently replaced it or replaced it at some point and then started getting a squeak every time you start it up, that may be because it's not properly shimmed, as the tolerance between these old parts is not the greatest. So this is why you need the shims to try and take up any slack where the component you replace may be too tight or too loose against your engine. Now, the replacement procedure for the shim is very easy. The first thing you're going to do is, if it's still in place, which at this point in time they may not be, is you're going to have to remove this shielding here. So you remove the shield, and that gives you access to your starter bolts. Let's see if we can get in here. Give you a better look. That's your starter, and that's your starter there on the side of the block. You have two bolts. If we come around here, maybe you can see them a little better there. There they go, marked in red. Now, when you're going to replace a shim, I'll show you what a shim looks like. This is what they look like here for the starter. They come in different thicknesses. I got these from my buddy Dave. What you're going to do is you're going to loosen the inner bolt on the starter. You don't want to pull it out all the way. And then you're going to remove the outer bolt on the starter. And then if you do have your original shim, which is here, you're going to insert your additional shim, because if it's making a squeaky sound every time you start the car, that means that it's too close to the flywheel and the gears are actually grinding. So you're going to install your new shim right on top of the original shim. Then you're going to tighten your bolts up and you're going to start the car. If your noise is gone, your problem is solved. It's a very easy fix for an annoying little squeak. It should take you roughly about maybe 15-20 minutes to do this. You just have to make sure that when you're installing the shim, that the open end of the shim just slides around that bolt there. You don't want it going this way, which you can, or that way. You just want it sliding right around the bolt. Make sure that it goes around the bolt. You install the other bolt through here and you're good to go. Tighten them up, torque the spec, and start the engine, and if you don't hear any more noise, your problem solved. Reinstall your heat shield and you are done. Quick and easy fix from the Pontiac Fiero Repair Center page. Right, now we'll listen to the starter and see if everything worked out. And beautiful. Nice, quiet starting. No more squeaking. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next video, which will be more interesting than this because it's going to involve repairing that connector and our hard starting issue. Alright guys, she was such a good patient today, I decided to treat her to a spa day. Got her polished out and brought back her brilliant shine. Alright guys, that's it. Gonna leave you with one last look at her, and I'll see you on the next one.